it's not connected, so I think we should try one more time. Do we have time? Yeah. Okay. So let's see what's the problem here. Appropriate shellcode, right? So let's try to create a payload on the different port now. 6655 is 6. So something is wrong here, but six five six, right? 656. I can give it a try one more time. That's not my full password, okay? Okay, I think I need to kill some of this process. I'm not sure what's wrong with it, but we will try, because normally it works. But anyway, I will just run as a root. I know it's a bit lame, but probably that can solve the problem, all right? So, MySQL Exploitation, pillar bind, 227. Okay, now you can see the payload is successfully being executed. So now it's a question and answer section. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me.
Hi. Okay, if you have any question, please raise your hand. I'll come over with the microphone. All right, on the left.
Your MySQL tool, will it work for remote SQL server, or does it just work locally? Because this was just a local exploitation, right?
I can't really.
Was it a local? Is it only locally or remotely?
Yeah, it works remotely. Yeah, I just do it locally because
You didn't
it's for
specify
the demo
some
section.
IP, target IP, or
What's that?
you didn't specify any target IP or anything like, you know?
You mean the IP?
Yeah.
It's actually in the configuration file here.
Ah, all
Because
right.
I was a bit in rush, so I couldn't show you basically everything. But if you can see here, so here's the configuration file. So you can have here's the IP address of whether your reverse shellcodes or your bind shellcode will be located, and then the site is just sites of the application. And this is the most important point because this is where your injection point is going to be tested, and then Metasploit is just located of the Metasploit framework and stuff. So
Thanks.
it's pretty simple to play with this configuration file.
Hi, I presume you need PHP safe mode to be off so you can do system.
Can you repeat that again?
I presume you require PHP safe mode to be off so that you can execute PHP system.
You mean PHP safe mode?
Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of PHP? Oh, you mean the PHP?
For this to work, it has to be off, right?
Like a PHP security mechanisms and stuff.
Yeah. Because no,
Are you talking about the Suhoshin PHP patch?
No, just PHP safe mode is like a global setting, and like by default it's on, and you can't do the PHP system call anymore on current distros.
Yeah, I'm not really sure about that, but what I know, like examples, if you have a magic code, so you have a problem with that because basically when you talk about magic code, you can evade the magic codes on your injections, but you can't really evade it on the file names. But anyway, if you talk about like some, I'm not sure about the PHP safe mode, but what I know in some, like PHP has a directory where you can locate, execute your file. So in that case, it doesn't work.
Right.
Yeah.
And what's the advantage of running this kind of shellcode this way rather than just uploading a simple, using PHP out file to write like a simple PHP shell or something? If you're going, you're basically writing some PHP code that will create the Metasploit binary, right?
You mean why don't I use the PHP code, right?
Yeah, why not just use a simple PHP shell that gives you a file upload?
Why I just don't use a PHP code and a file upload?
Exactly.
And then upload the SQL file. Because I can say that it's still the same, but still the same methods. But anyway, if you use a post request, you're still required to upload the whole PHP script. So it's just punch like a long PHP script with a post request and stuff like that. So basically, you still can use the same method, but like what I'm going to show here is just how you can do it through like a binary kind of type of technique.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks very much.
Hi.
Thanks.